So here's the dash cam which you all have been waiting to take a look at. So this is the 70mai Omni 4K X800 and I currently have the box in my hand and it says view into the future because this is arguably the most futuristic dash cam that's currently available. It also says 4K Omni HDR set. This is a dual Starvis-2 dashcam. It also indicates the Starvis-2 logo at the bottom. It supports 360-degree full view. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 standards with a 5 GHz network, dual Sony Starvis-2 tech, HDR dual channel recording, 4K image and AI motion detection. Now this AI motion detection is very interesting and I'm going to be showing this in the upcoming videos. At the back of the box, again, some similar features have been highlighted. So let's show you a quick teaser of what you get inside the box once you buy this dash cam. So the X800 comes in really nice packaging and here it is. Super smart looking, super futuristic looking 70mai 4K X800. So this dashcam is the direct successor to the previous model, the 70mai Omni, and this is the only dashcam in the world probably which is capsule shaped, where in the bottom part of the capsule can rotate 360 degrees. You get this power button and menu control buttons. You get this display at the back. On one side you get the micro SD card slot. On top you get the Type-C port and the rear camera connection port, which is a mini USB port. And on top you get the windshield mount. First impressions, the dashcam does feel quite heavy and well built. And here is the rear camera HDR enabled 1080p camera, which also supports the STARVIS-2 sensor. So this was just a quick overview, a quick teaser of what you can expect in the upcoming video. So I'll be doing a detailed review of this camera. And of course, you'll be getting to see the detailed review video before anyone else right here on my channel. So if you are interested in taking a look at this camera, at all of its features, and if you want to decide if this is the right dash camera for you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload the video for the X800. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.